Christmas is a perfect time to express affections for your family, to forgive those who failed you, and to forget the past mistakes. May the beautiful lights of every holiday season remind us of Him, who is the source of all light. Christmas message from Tuna Republic, located at National Highway San Francisco, Agusan del Sur, saying Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2021.
Pag-asa ay abot tanaw, naniniwala pa rin ako sa himala ng Pasko, na magkakaisa tayo sa awiting ito, isang pamilya.